Welcome. In this video I will show you what to do if your touchscreen isn't responding on OnePlus 15R smartphone. In such case, we can try to first and should try to first restart the phone. We can force restart the phone by holding down power button and volume up keys at the same time until the screen of the phone goes off. And once it does, turn on the phone again by holding down the power key. And wait until your device is switched on. If your device has restarted but the touchscreen still isn't responding, we can assume that there could be some third-party interference with your device's screen, and therefore some third-party application or some background process is blocking the way that blocking your touch screen and won't allow you to use it. If you want to get rid of that process, you just have to restart your phone into the safe mode, and what we need to do is basically force shut down the phone just like we did before by holding down power button and volume up keys at the same time. And after the phone shuts down, once again we're gonna have to restart it in the very same way by holding down the power button, and then 3 to 5 seconds after you see the Android logo on your screen, start holding down the volume down key and keep holding it until your phone is fully booted up. And then check your touchscreen once again. Once you enter the safe mode, you will see this indicator in the bottom left corner of the screen. Now at this point, if your touchscreen hasn't started responding, then we should also check for any possible screen protector interference with this process. So you can also try and remove your screen protection and check if this helps you. And in case this doesn't help you, well, at this point this must be rather a hardware issue, and in such case you only have one solution, and it is reaching out either the OnePlus customer support service or the service center to get your phone repaired. And that's it for this video. I hope that it helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.